Hey everyone, are you getting Roblox Error Code 279, also known as failed to connect to the game? This error usually happens when Roblox can't establish a stable connection to the game server. It may be caused by network issues, corrupted app files, or firewall and antivirus settings. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279 in 2026, so let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a website or streaming a video. If possible, switch to another Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot to see if the problem is related to your current connection. Next, completely close Roblox and restart your computer. Restarting clears temporary files and network processes that may be causing connection problems. If the error continues, uninstall Roblox, restart your computer, and install the latest version again. Reinstalling replaces damaged or missing files that may prevent Roblox from connecting properly. Roblox also recommends clearing its local app data before reinstalling. This removes corrupted cache files that could be causing the issue. Make sure Windows Firewall or your antivirus software isn't blocking Roblox. If necessary, temporarily disable the security software for testing or add Roblox as an allowed application. If you're still seeing error code 279, connect to a different internet connection, such as another Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. If Roblox works there, the problem is likely with your original network or ISP, and that's how to fix Roblox error code 279 in 2026. By checking your network, clearing Roblox's data, reinstalling the application, and reviewing your firewall settings, you can solve most connection problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.